So you say you seen that old manimal, have you? Well, saddle on down and let Jasper Pipesmoke tell you a story about me and the manimal. Well, it all starts back in '89, when High Cascade was invented or discovered or whatever you want to call it. The manimal was a very happy camper, and he was very popular with the other campers too. Every day you could see him on that glacier up there doing his flippity-doo-dahs and his dippity-days. And, well, I always did feel bad about that manimal. He never could find his way in the shred world. From the hippy-dippy gypsy with the feathers and the cool rings, all the way to the other side with the tall tees and the gold chains that make your back all crooked like mine. Well, the manimal did all this, and then one day the feathers molted, the pants ripped off, and he just decided he liked to go carving through the glacier and just go fast. Fast. Well, you can take it from me, Jasper. Don't be surprised if you're out there one day and you see the manimal caressing a corduroy groomers or flying through some hot pal. Well, I'm all tuckered out from the storytelling. I think it'd be best if you turn off that motion camera and let me get back to my chewing my seeds.
Since I don't know when, here I come and I'm gone again. Sally says I got no end. I'm gonna get you a Sally again.
Without further ado, staff, are you ready? Campers, are you ready? To the thousands in attendance and the millions watching on High Cascade TV, let's play dodgeball.
BT boat on the way to better. They used to make a living on vegan and banana. Now I'm a guy for the CIA, a red for the USA. Baby, baby, make me loco. Baby, baby, make me mambo. Safety spot, only keep it down the truck. First stop, Can you put your hands in your head? Oh no. I said, Father, what a day, a year, a life it is. You know, well you know, you had it coming to you. Now there's not a lot I can do. Dreamer, stupid little dreamer. Now you put your head in your hands, oh no. I said, what a day, a year, a life. You know, well you know, you had it coming to you. Now there's not a lot I can do. Out someday.
How's my steez?
If I could see something, you can see anything, boy. I could be someone, anyone, celebrate, boy. Well, if I could do something, do something. If I could do anything, can you do something out of this world? Dream
Gang, say the gang, cuz. What's up, gang? What's up? What's up? You gotta stack that footy, cuz.
Stack footy because it's Micah Hollander going throwing it down.
Yeah, cuz, this ain't gang. This ain't gang.
It ain't. It
That
ain't.
was-
He's thugging. He's going, what?
Okay, ready? You ready, Perf?
Let's go. Let's go.
My dear, I need you to call my own and never do it. And to hold in mind your little hand. I'll know too soon that all of them. Please remind me. My dear, I was wrong to try to love too, but knowing the lie.
nervous. What are you trying to do?
Drop in this water vibrator.
Drop in. Have you dropped in before?
I don't think I have.
Ooh, our first drop in. Do you mind if we film you doing it? All right. So you want to get your board in here. Put one of your feet there. Doesn't matter which one. And then your other foot there. And then here's the secret. All right. Oh! Wow. I'm fairly good at this skate coaching thing. So is that scary?
Not anymore.
Work.
Alright.
Oh, those bros. Those bros.
Poor old granddad, I laughed at all his words. I thought he was a bitter man. He spoke of women's ways. They trap you and they use you before you even know. But love is blind and you're far too kind. Don't ever let it show. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger, the can-can's such a pretty show to steal your heart away. The backstage back on earth again. The dressing rooms are great. They come on strong and it ain't too long, but I make you feel a man. But love is blind and you soon will find you're just a boy again. When you wanna live, you get a cheek, makes you wonder where you are. If you want some more, then she's fast asleep, keeps you twinkling with the stars. For a young grandson, there's nothing I can say. You have to learn just like me, and that's the hardest way. Ooh la la. Ooh la 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 la, yeah. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger. I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was younger, I wish that I knew what I know now. When I was stronger. Imagine me and you, I do. I
about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me, lose my mind. Imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. No matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. Me and you, and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. No matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. So happy together. And how is the weather? So happy.